case erector. Dennis, have you seen a Lantech case erector?
I worked at Red Loan for 12 years. I've seen hundreds of cases.
Yeah, I like this one. I like this one.
So we've been through this one before, but this is this a 300 or 400?
This is the 400.
This is C400. Trip, go ahead.
Yeah, so it's a C400. At the end of the day, everybody wants to do the same thing that makes a case. They want to square the box up the way to protect your product better on the inside, right? And one of the things that we do a little bit different than most guys out there is we want to pick it up on the major and the minor side. A lot of folks pick it up on the major side and then use a mechanical device to open it. We want to pick it up on the major and the minor. That way we're controlling the box throughout the process. So what you'll see is you'll see this mechanical arm come over. It's going to pick it up on both sides. It's going to form it. We're going to fold the bottom minor flaps completely, and then we're going to score the major flaps a little bit, and then we're going to, before we transition it through to the tape. One of the nice things about our case erector as well is that there's multiple sensors throughout. There's a sensor here if there's low magazines low. There's a sensor inside here. I don't know if you can see the red light, but there's a light shining on my hand. If the box doesn't get made to that point, it shuts the machine down. There's sensors if the tape gets low, it shuts the machine down. If the tape doesn't form the box, it shuts the machine down.
Wow.
These are all benefits to. At the end of the day, we don't want a case erector just running with nobody over there watching it and it's not producing boxes in there. Or we don't want it to continually cram boxes in there if it's already crammed and jammed up.
Do you have different kinds of suction cups for different materials?
We do. So this is a Venturi style. We also have a Erector pump, and we have custom.
So I mean the material the cups are actually made of.
We do have some things that we can offer. Most of them are pretty standard.
Our problem is abrasion, dust.
Yes. Yeah.
It'll end up all due to the vacuum system.
We have a self-purging system, the way it's designed. But at the end of the day, if you've got extremely dusty corrugate, we'll make options for that.
On the paint side, it wouldn't be that bad. Just
Not on the face, probably just over there.
There's some, we try to design our machines to run every Cordia case out there. And not everybody has nice, clean cases like this. Not everybody goes to a quality supplier and gets cases. And they get a lot of things that have a lot of dirt debris in them.
So who makes your taping machine?
We actually manufacture our own tape in. But we do accommodate others out in the market. It's easy to pull out. It's got instructions on there how to thread it. Once you thread it, you just set in, it sets you right back in there.
It's like an interface. It's like an interface.
Yeah, I can see a few differences.
Something else to consider as well is that our side belts are spring loaded. When it Texas heat, we go from humidity one day to not very much the next day. It causes corrugate to swell and not swell.